Dharandolida Dirghakshi. She who has long, tremulous eyes. Tarahaso Jwalanmukhi. She whose face is radiant with a smile. Gurumurtihi. She who has assumed a severe form or one who has assumed the form of the Guru. Gunanitihi. She who is the treasure house of all good qualities. Gomata. She who become Surabhi, the cow that grants all wishes. Guha Janma Bhuhu. She who is the mother of Guha, that is Subramanya. Deveshi. She who is the protector of the gods. Dandanitista. She who maintains the rules of justice without the slightest error. Daharakasha Rupini. She who is the subtle self in the heart. Pratipanmukya Rakanta Titimandala Puchita. She who is worshipped daily starting with Pratipat, that is first day of the lunar half month, and ending with the full moon. Kalatmika. She who is in the form of the Kalas. Kalanatha. She who is the mistress of all the Kalas. Kavyalapa Vimodini. She who delights in hearing poetry. Sachamara Ramavani Savya Dakshina Sevita. She who is attended by Lakshmi on the left side and Saraswati on the right side, bearing ceremonial fans. Ati Shaktihi. She who is the primordial power, the Parashakti, who is the cause of the universe. Ameya. She who is not measurable by any means. Atma. She who is the self in all. Parama. She who is the supreme. Pavana Kritihi. She who is of sacred form. Aneka Kodi Brahmanda Janani. She who is the creator of many crores of worlds. Divya Vigraha. She who has a divine body. Klinkari. She who is creator of the syllable Klim. Kevala. She who is the absolute, as she is complete, independent and without any attributes. Guhya. She who is to be known in secret. Kaivalya Patadayini. She who bestows liberation. Tripura. She who is older than the Trinity of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Trijagatvantiya. She who is adored by the inhabitant of all three worlds. Trimurtihi. She who is the aggregate of the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Tridasheshwari. She who is the ruler of the gods. Trayakshari. She whose form consists of 3 letters of syllable Om, that is A, U, M. Divya Gandhatya. She who is richly endowed with divine fragrance. Sindhura Tilakanchita. She who shines with a vermilion mark on her forehead. She who is decorated with a special paste made of vermilion. Uma. She who is Parvati Devi. Shailendra Tanaya. She who is the daughter of Himavad, the king of the mountain. Gauri. She who has a fair complexion. Gandharva Sevita. She who is served by Gandharvas, like Vishwavasu. Vishwagarbha. She who contains the whole universe in her womb. Swarnagarbha. She who is the cause of the universe. Avarada. She who destroys the unholy. Vagadishwari. She who presides over speech. Dhyanagamya. She who is to be attained through meditation. Aparichetya. She whose limits cannot be ascertained, that is unlimited. Jnanada. She who gives knowledge of the self. Jnana Vigraha. She who is the embodiment of knowledge itself. Sarva Vedanta Samvedya. She who is known by all of Vedanta. Satyananda Swarupini. She whose form is existence and bliss. Lopamutrarchita. She who is worshipped by Lopamutra, that is wife of sage Agastya. Leela Klupta Brahmanda Mandala. She who has created and maintained the universe purely as a sport. Adrishya. She who is not perceived by sense organs, that is normal eyes. Drishya Rahita. She who has nothing to see. Vijñatri. She who knows the truth of the physical universe. Vedyavarjita. She who has nothing left to know. Yogini. She who is constantly united with Parashiva. She who possesses the power of yoga. Yogada. She who bestows the power of yoga. Yogya. She who deserves yoga of all kinds. Yogananda. She who is the bliss attained through yoga. She who enjoys the bliss of yoga. Yugandhara. She who is the bearer of the yugas. Ichcha Shakti Jnana Shakti Kriya Shakti Swarupini. She who is in the form of the powers of will, knowledge and action. Sarvadhara. She who is the support of all. Supradishta. She who is firmly established. Sadasatruba Dharini. She who assumes the form of both being and non-being. Ashtamurtihi. She who has 8 forms. Ajajetri. She who conquers ignorance. Lokayatra Vidhayini. She who directs the course of the world. Ekakini. She who is the lone one. Bhumarupa. She who is the aggregate of all existing things. Nirdvaita. She who is without the sense of duality. Dvaita Varjita. She who is beyond duality. Annada. She who is the giver of food to all living things. Vasudha. She who is the giver of wealth. Vriddha. She who is ancient. Brahmatmaikya Swarupini. She whose nature is the union of Brahman and Atman. Brihati. She who is immense. Brahmani. She who is predominantly sattvic. Brahmi. She who presides over speech. Brahmananda. She who is ever immersed in the bliss of Brahman. Balipriya. She who is especially fond of sacrificial offerings. Bhasharupa. She who is in the form of language. Brihatsena. She who has a vast army. Bhava Bhava Vivarjita. She who is beyond being and non-being. Sukaradhya, she who is easily worshipped. Subhakari, she who does good. Shobhana Sulabha Gadihi, she who is attained through a bright and easy path. Rajarajeshwari, she who is the ruler of kings and emperors. Rajyadayini, she who gives dominion. Rajyavallabha, she who protects all the dominions. Rajat Kripa, she who has a compassion that captivates everyone. Rajapita Niveshita Nijashrita, she who establishes on royal thrones of those who take refuge in her. Rajya Lakshmi, she who is the embodiment of the prosperity of the world. Koshanatha, she who is the mistress of the treasury. Chaduranga Baleshwari, she who commands armies of 4 types. Samrajya Dayini, she who is the bestower of imperial dominion. Satyasandha, she who is devoted to truth or maintains truth. Sagara Mekala, she who is girdled by the oceans. Dikshita, she who is under a vow. Daitya Shamani, she who destroys the demons' wicked forces. Sarvaloka Vasankari, she who keeps all the worlds under her control. Sarvartha Dhatri, she who grants all desires. Savitri, she who is the creative power in the universe. Sachidananda Rupini, she who is of the nature of existence, consciousness and bliss.